the HAWE Tech Podcast.
Hello and welcome to today's episode of the HAWE Tech Podcast. My name is Ralph and I'm Senior Specialist for Sales Enablement at HAWE. Our topic today is, do you know what's driving CAN valves' popularity? To answer this question, I've invited my colleague Dmitry, who is Key Market Manager at HAWE. Welcome, Dmitry. Good to see you again.
Hello, Ralph. Nice to see you, and thank you for the invitation.
Well, always a pleasure to have you, and hopefully you can enlighten us on this interesting topic. So let's get started. Dmitry, what exactly are CAN valves for those that don't know?
Great question, Ralph. CAN valves are valves with controller area network, or CAN actuation. They combine traditional hydraulic control with advanced electronic features, offering enhanced precision and flexibility. At their core is the CAN bus, a communication protocol widely used in industries like automotive and industrial automation.
Okay, that's quite interesting to start with. So what are the key features that set CAN valves apart from regular valves?
One of the standout features is the onboard electronics with integrated CAN interfaces. These enable closed-loop spool position control, ensuring precise flow regulation and high repeatability. They also provide dynamic response and hysteresis-free operation, making movements smoother and more predictable.
Well, that makes it sound like they're designed for high performance. Are there other notable features besides that?
Absolutely. CAN valves allow for electronic spool curve adjustments, which make fine metering and flow sharing much easier. They are also highly resistant to environmental influences, ensuring reliability in harsh conditions.
Okay. So now I've heard that HAWE has CAN actuations for proportional sectional spool valves. Can you elaborate a little bit on that?
Yes. HAWE offers CAN actuation for, as you mentioned, our proportional sectional spool valves, the PSL and PSV series for all sizes. Additionally, we are excited to announce a new version of PSL CAN X actuator, designed specifically for explosion-prone environments in Zone 1 and Zone 2, which will be available soon.
Well, that's quite impressive. Let's talk about the benefits of these features. How do they impact system design? I'm sure there have to be some considerations of that too.
CAN simplifies system design by reducing the size and complexity, streamlining the overall setup. This is not only cuts manufacturing costs, but also minimizes the number of wires and cable glands, size of explosion-proof enclosures.
Okay. Now, what about energy efficiency? Is that another advantage, or does it not really affect anything?
Yes, we can say so. The precise control over spool movement optimizes power usage. This reduces energy losses and improves overall system efficiency.
Well, that's quite a significant benefit, I would think. How do CAN valves enhance control and flexibility?
With onboard electronics and programmable settings, CAN valves support customizations of flow characteristics. This flexibility allows them to meet the specific needs of diverse applications, from heavy equipment to precision machinery.
Okay. Now, costs are always a concern. Do CAN valves help in that regard too?
Yes, Ralph. By simplifying wiring and improving operational efficiency, they reduce both initial setup and long-term operational costs.
Okay.
The seamless integration into existing CAN bus systems further adds to these savings.
Okay. Well, that's a compelling case, especially in these times of rising costs. What types of applications benefit the most from CAN valves?
They are ideal for mobile machinery, where accuracy is crucial, and explosion-proof environments as well, where minimizing components like cables is essential.
Well, it sounds like they're a very versatile solution. Where do you see the future of CAN valves heading?
As industries demand smarter and more efficient solutions, CAN valves will continue to grow in popularity in general. Innovations like Internet of Things, integration, and advanced diagnostic will further support this trend.
Okay. Quite interesting. It's been very fascinating. Anything else you would like to add? Otherwise, I'll do a quick summary for our listeners.
Yes, please. I think we're fine.
Okay. Well, then let me see if I got all the important points. CAN valves offer a host of technical benefits that make them a standout choice for modern hydraulic systems. These include precise closed-loop spool control for enhanced accuracy, dynamic and repeatable performance without hystereses, and programmable flow characteristics that adapt to specific application needs.
Yes.
By reducing wiring complexity and optimizing energy usage, CAN valves not only simplify system design, but also significantly reduce costs over time, which we just talked about.
Exactly.
With HAWE's commitment to innovation, like our upcoming PSL CAN EX for explosion-prone environments, these valves are set to play a crucial role in the future of hydraulic technology. Did I get it?
Yes, absolutely correct, Ralph. They are a great example of how technology is evolving to meet modern demands.
Great. Well, thank you very much for being here again. It's been a pleasure, and you always have an open invitation to come join me and discuss interesting topics. And thank you for joining us again today. If you're interested in further podcasts, then please join us again in 2 weeks for another new podcast. You can write us at podcast@hawe.de if you have any suggestions. And otherwise, have a great day and goodbye.
Thank you.